Always use appropriate personal protective equipment and practice safety. Check the opening for plumb and level. Confirm the rough opening is 3/4 inch larger than the window in width and height. Make the first cut in the building wrap across the top of the opening. The second cut is along the sill. Then make the third cut from above to bottom in the center of the opening. Finally, make 2 diagonal cuts, 5 inches long from each top corner. Fold the building wrap at the sides into the opening, and secure with staples. Fold the top lap up, and temporarily secure with flashing tape. Cut 2 pieces flashing tape, 12 inches longer than the opening width. Apply the first flashing tape, so 6 inches extended up at each side of the opening. The tape should overlap the building wrap onto the wall surface by 1 inch. Apply the second flashing tape. The tape should overlap the first piece of tape by 1 inch. Place shims on the sill, 1 inch from each side, as well as any mullions. Level the shims. Attach the shims with roof nails or flashing tape. Miter cut the nail fin according to the size of the window. Snap the nail fin into the groove of the outer frame. Set the window into the opening on the sill shims. Make sure the nail fin makes contact with the wall on all sides. Drive 2 fasteners, one near each end of the top nail fin. Place shims between the jambs and opening to make the window plumb and square. Drive 2 more fasteners, one near each end of the sill nail fin. Check and operate the sash, if necessary. Adjust the shims until the unit operates smoothly. Drive the remaining fasteners in the nail fin. Cut 2 pieces flashing tape, 4 inches taller than the window. Apply each piece ½ inch onto the window frame, over the nail fin, onto the building wrap. So the tape extends 2 inches above and below the window. Cut 1 piece flashing tape, 8 inches wider than the window. Apply the tape ½ inch onto the window frame, over the nail fin, onto the building wrap. Fold down the top flap of building wrap. Cut and apply 2 pieces flashing tape over the diagonal cut. Extend the tape 1 inch past the end of the cut onto the building wrap. Use low-pressure insulating foam to create continuous seal. Insert the nozzle or straw 1 inch into the space between the window and wall. Apply continuous bead of foam, 1 inch thick around the window.